I'm STEEZY here, STEEZY Media. If you watch my old videos, you noticed I did all those videos in German. But now I want to switch to English, because there are many people who watch my videos who don't even understand the word. So I thought, I do all my videos in English so you guys understand me. And also guys from Russia or other countries can understand what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm here. It's pretty difficult for me because my mother language is German and not English. So it's a bit scary speaking in front of the camera in English, but I try my best, guys. So don't be mean to me if I say shit. So I'm STEEZY Media. I sit between both of my cars. On my left hand side I got a 2017 Volkswagen Scirocco GTS. My dad owned plenty of Sciroccos. My best friend bought his old Scirocco R. If you saw the videos, you know. So my Scirocco got plenty of mods, nice wheels, nice fitment, coilovers, Recaro bucket seats. So that's a pretty nice car. On my right hand side I got a Volkswagen Polo 86 CL. It's purple. My dad also owned this car. It's from 1991, so it's 33 years old, but it's looking nice. My dad owned this car also in purple, but with a bigger engine. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the new videos in English. Welcome back guys to a new STEEZY Media video. We are going to the Limitless event today. We got a 3-hour drive ahead of us. Back there in the front is my dad from TCR. And yeah, see you there. So guys, we are here with my beautiful girlfriend. We washed the car, as you saw. There is someone roughing his engine. It's crazy. Okay, suddenly he stopped, but I think I'm going to do porn with all the cars here at this event, because there's so much music playing in the background, because it's copyright with YouTube. So I think I'm just do some short talking to you guys and some nice edits with the cars. And after that, in the next video, I'm gonna do a nice after movie. So guys, back there are all the drift cars who are drifting in this event. I show them to you. So guys, you saw the drift cars. Back there is a big event. Yeah. You just saw everybody drifting. Now we just talk to the drift drivers and try to get in a car and drift with them. And yeah.
Kurz vor Hautkrebs, ja?
Kurz vor Abschied. Hey guys, unfortunately we couldn't get any tickets for the drift cars, so we couldn't drift with anyone. Yeah, so we are just walking around, looking at all the cars, enjoy the drift shows, and now you're gonna see a nice pond with all the nice stands cars in this meet. As you guys saw, they are going completely wild. They're revving their engines, they're shooting flames. It's crazy out here. Yeah, stay continued. This video is gonna be crazy. When the sun goes down and it's dark, all the guys who can shoot flames are going to shoot fucking flames. So it's gonna be crazy. Stay in this video and watch till the end.
Der Kofferraum offen ist. Am Start wieder der 45er Polo. Also Schildkonsole. Etwas ungelenkt, okay.
Yeah, unfortunately guys, we missed the GTRs making flames. In the midday they did flames, but I was filming other cars so I missed it. And at the night they didn't were allowed to make flames because we were like past 22 o'clock and we couldn't get any louder, so that was pretty sad. But my dad filmed a E36 BMW making flames, revving the shit out of his engine. But he filmed with his mobile phone, so you're gonna see the clip now. And I will put some clips from last year in this video because there they shoot so big flames. I was sad that this year was a bit with the flame shooting, but hopefully next meet there are gonna be big flames again.
Wartet.
Oh fuck!
Da kommt noch mehr.
Scheiße, Digga!
If you guys liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, write a nice comment down in the comment section below, subscribe to the channel because next week I'm gonna put an after movie out on my YouTube channel, and yeah, see you guys.